at peak, I think we'll be over 5,000 meals a day. And we plan and ramp up towards that, but that also includes workforce and volunteers and security details as well. It's a 6-day cycle, meaning it'll repeat itself every 6 days. And from what I'm kind of seeing on the venues and how the sports work, no athlete should see more than the same meal twice. We have the Chipotle marinated pork loin, boneless pork loin. This dish was actually the bison meatloaf. The far dish is a jerk rub on a turkey. Some elements of all these menus separate the components, almost deconstruct the meal, allowing the individual to choose the meal they want to build, whether it's a high protein, high grain, or complex carbohydrate. That's kind of my choice as I build my plate. We did not have access to athletes, but however, they did have representation at our initial taste testing. And that's, again, earlier we had talked about keeping heat out of the food and letting the athlete apply their heat. So certain parts of the Americas, having hot foods are a staple in the diet, and but we were also asked to actually kind of leave those out so the individual could spice their own foods. So you'll find subtle flavorings, but shouldn't be anything hot or really spicy here.